Hi, I'm Vadim Poklopkin. Welcome to the chart of the day. Trump, oil prices, and trend lines. Duped, tricked, and snookered, said a CNBC headline on November 15th. It now appears that Trump hoodwinked Saudi Arabia, fooling the US ally into pushing the oil market into oversupply and sparking a roughly 25% drop in crude prices. This, of course, refers to the stunningly fast and deep sell-off in crude we've seen since October. We've shown you many examples when an Elliott wave forecast was ahead of a big market move. Yet, this case is slightly more nuanced and I think more interesting. Once a month, our Global Market Perspective gives subscribers a new big picture forecast for oil, among other markets. The October issue published on September 28th. Our chief energy analyst, Steve Craig, showed this chart and wrote that the odds were tilted towards a larger advance. Oil was trading around $72 a barrel at the time, and Steve's analysis suggested a rally above the most recent high of $75.27. But, as you probably know, every Elliott wave forecast also has a line in the sand. If the market crosses it, you know it's time to adjust. On the downside, Steve added in that September 28th forecast, trendline support, this line right here, should remain substantially intact as the rally unfolds. Here's what happened next. Oil did rally above the $75.27 high, but then the price suddenly broke below that trendline. The November Global Market Perspective gave an update. Crude eclipsed its July peak as expected, but rather than accelerating higher, the market tanked. The impulsive nature of the decline and the break below trendline support suggest that a major top is in place. At the time of that update, crude was trading around $67, and the sell-off had a long way to go. For perspective, let's shift into a daily chart to see what happened next. So, did President Trump really trick the Saudis and crash the oil market? Maybe. It certainly gives you a satisfying explanation of what may have happened. The problem with satisfying explanations, though, is that they don't tell you what to expect next. A break of the trend line is not something you'll ever hear about on 6 o'clock news. And that's okay. Traders looking for opportunities care less about international intrigues and more about what's next. And on that, the Elliott Wave Roadmap, despite its occasional detour, already has a lot to show you.